So I'm going to be rolling out the 5x10 teardrop without a galley so I can get it outside and get the tail lights going, and so we can go camping next weekend even though it's not finished. That is my fish scale hanging there because I have a battery in it. I'm going to try to catch some bass this weekend. Take your Dramamine pill. I'm going to do a walk around. Maybe just start up his diesel truck, which is a pretty cool machine. No galley, so there's no leaks to deal with in the back. Got a little steel bumper down there, and you can see where the tail lights, I bent those out a little bit to slide a camper on. This being a farm trailer, they didn't really build it to close specs. You can see a little gap between the fender and the wall. The fender's kind of angled out a little bit, but, you know, I guess I could put some wood trim around it or something. I don't know. I'm not going to worry too much about it. Let's see on the air conditioner here. I kind of took all this apart so I can put this in here, which is one of those little grill things you buy at HEB to put on the grill at the local camps and parks, so that you don't have to cook your meal on somebody else's mess. And I got a little light in the front for the, I put some black across here at the brightest point. It's a temporary light because I don't really like it. And you can see the portal lights up here. I put some window tint in here. It's not stuck on there. It's just put inside so that there's not an issue with the darkness or brightness. Do not have my switches on yet. You can look under here and you should be able to see my green light. I have one on each side so that when you're walking to the trailer, there's no tripping. And you can see I put my stainless steel door latches on here. What I did, I squared a little bit of silicone, rubber silicone in each end so that it doesn't chatter when you're sitting there and moving the trailer around or just sitting in the trailer. For right now, this is going to be my locker box because it has so many coolers. I figured why not? I just need a temporary locker box for this weekend. It's an old cooler, so fiberglass the cracks, and then I'll put a cable around it to lock it, so when we stop at Buc-ee's, it's not going to be an issue. And the two lights at the back, I disable those because pretty much what I'm going to do is operate off of that for this weekend, because I'm going to have cabinets that go across here and up to hide that. And then my AGM battery will be out there on the tongue in the box. And this space right here is just big enough for a 4.4 refrigerator, 4.4 cubic foot refrigerator. And I guess you can probably tell I got allergies again today. Got my 10-speed max air fan in. If I could just find a fan that just did the low speed like this one does, so I could leave it running all night long, I wouldn't need to spend $250 for one of those. And that way I could get my bill down cheaper. And of course, as always, I put the lights in here with the digital dimmers. And of course, they'll be on the switch here. So, I'm just waiting for my switch to come in from Guangdong, China. Somewhere it's called Guangdong, Dongguan, China. About 30 bucks. And then you can see on the roof, I have a lot of dust up here, and then the polyurethane. You can see the cedar roof. Should drive the boats nuts. Remember painting the wheels. Got 15-inch wheels. I have not even checked to see yet if my truck rims will fit it. If they do, I'm gonna see if I can find a second set of truck rims to go on here so it'll all match. And there's the back again. And then, like I said, I can take this piece of window film out here and it'll be harshly bright. I'm going without. At this point, I feel like I'm not going to put windows in the door. I'm probably just going to put a large window here. Or, you know, whatever I can find a deal on. Then you can see here on my air conditioner, on my bezel, I have a little recess here. So when I put the bag over it and I pull the drawstring tight, it'll cinch up in this space here. And then on the air conditioner where it sticks through, I put this metal tape along here so that I could caulk it. So it's pretty much sealed. I don't know if you can, you know, there's not going to be any issues with water on the inside. But you can't see past it. So anyway, all I got to do is just put a cover on here. It doesn't have to be a watertight cover because these are made for some water. What I have made is, well, my wife made it. Let me get it. I told her, I said, well, it doesn't have to be watertight because, you know, these things, you're supposed to accept a little water. Let's see if I can get this on here without making you too seasick. Alright, something like that. So basically I can drive down the road 60 to 80 miles an hour, and when the rain hits there, it's just gonna kind of go down. It's not gonna be like pounding here and filling up with bugs and pounding there and filling up with rainwater. It'll be doing pretty much what it's supposed to be doing. And I got a temporary jack stand on the front, which I'll be fine with until I find something much better. You can see right there on that hole, somebody was towing this trailer and didn't have the jack stand up enough, hit something, bent the wheel, bent the tube, warped that a little bit, and I can beat that with a big hammer. So, okay, I guess the next video y'all will see of me, hopefully we'll be catching some little 4 and 5 pound bass at George Bush's favorite spot on a ranch in Bryant, Texas. Thank you for watching.